Hello, dear friends. My name is Pratik Davdebati, and now I'm going to talk about anti-satellite missions and technology, which is now in, in debate. Missile technology. Although debate is not related to our issues, debate is based on the time in which Prime Minister is proclaiming the importance of the technology. But our concern is not the time. Our concern is what is anti-satellite missile technology. So let's little bit know about that. With the announcement of Prime Minister related to anti-satellite missile technology Operation Shakti in 27th March 2019 at 11:30, India joined the club of what? Club of USA, Russia and China. That means only three nations have this technology. So that club have a little privilege. Although that process of anti-satellite missile technology in India is tested and perceived by DRDO. So DRDO is the authority which started this thing. Now look, what is the there is a little need to about it. What is anti-satellite missile technology? Before knowing that, we should know that technology and test of that technology started by USA in 1959. Within 1 year, Russia also tested. Later, that process of fight between the both nations carry on till 1980s. Although to counter that dynamics of both nations led to war, there was UN established a committee on safety of outer space in 1959 itself. There later a lot more things happened, so we will talk about that committee in later. Peaceful use of outer space. So next stage, China tested this technology in 2007. In that way, there was a lot more debate about the space debris just because of China, but that can be also a Western media drama. So this is the history of anti-satellite missile technology, 1959 to 2007, and now India in 2019. So now look, what is the special in Indian mission Shakti, and what is the anti-satellite missile technology. So that we need to know about the fact related to that. So mission Shakti is the mission which started by DRDO to defend the nation from any attack from outer space. Like some satellites are watching the Indian navigations and may help to rogue nation to attack in India, and that satellite can also be attacked in our satellite systems also. So DRDO has developed a missile which can be a weapon to crack that satellite which is other rogue nations. Although in Indian operation satellites, In Operation Mission Shakti, DRDO used a micro satellite R for that purpose. So that is happened where that launched from the Abdul Kalam Island Launch Center, which earlier known as Jubileer Island Launch Center. Now it's coast of the Andhra Pradesh. And the second thing is that is what is specific in Mission Shakti, which is anti-satellite missile technology. So that is specific that is 18 ton in weight and can destroy up to the weight of 740 kg satellite that have range of 1000 km. Although our test happened in 300 km of lower Earth orbit. That anti-satellite missile technology is developed under Ballistic Missile Development Program, which is the ballistic missile defense program, in which that act as a interceptor missile. How will it perform? So these are the few facts pending. Its operation done by DRDO. It have a 10 weight, can launch in 740 kg satellite, can attack in up to 1000 km. That test happened in 300 km. Just because of that cannot be depended on the space debris and lot more drama which happened in 2017. That is a part of the ballistic missile defense programs, which is with the objective of hit to kill. If you want to kill, then you need to shoot. That's the idea of hit to kill, and this is an interceptor missile. That missile has 3 stages, in which 2 stage is the solid rocket booster. So that missile is 3 stages, in which is 2 stages solid booster, and the third stage have the missile. So first is the 2 stage is the rocket, and the third stage is the missile beacon. So that's are the Indian technology, and that are the facts of Operation Mission Shakti. So now we need to know about two more things related to that, which are actually important along with. So first one is, what is PT and what is committee related to peaceful use of missile technology, peaceful use of outer space. And the second one is what type of satellites at the present time, and the third one is the orbit around it. So we will talk about 3 different lectures, short lecture on this. Wait.